Hello, friends. See here, this is a poem. It is composed by William Shakespeare. The name of the poem is title of the poem is "Went to the Station of Switzerland." And dear students, it is a sonnet. Sonnet is a poem which is written in 14 lines, and Shakespearean sonnet contain three quatrain and one couplet. In my another video, I will explain you there are how many types of uh, sonnets are there and what are the differences. Let's see the poem's text and understood it. Let's understand it, its meaning. The text is that went to the session of sweet silent thought. I summon up remembrance of things past. I sigh the lake of many a thing I saw, and with old vows new well my dear time west. The poet says that went to the session of sweet silent thought. Mean when I am in pensive mood, when I am in calm and cool, and when I am remembering my whole past life, I am thinking about all these. I summon up remembrance of things past. The incidents, the happenings, the memories of past are again with me. I sigh the lake of many a thing I sought. And the poet says that the things which I couldn't achieve, the things which I tried for them, but these were away from me, I couldn't achieve them. All these failures make me sad. And with old vows, new well, my dear time is waste. And he says that the pains which were received by me earlier due to my failures are again reborn, renewed, and I become sad for all of them. And he says that my dear times waste, and the all these sorrows make me waste my time. So, dear students, in this first quatrain, we come to know that the poet is remembering his past, and knowing about his past failures and memories, he becomes sad. And he says that my time is wasted again by expressing the sorrow for past failures. ये फर्स्ट ईयर के लिए है पोएम प्रेस्क्राइब्ड सिलेबस में। तो स्टूडेंट्स इसमें जो है आप देखें कि पहली लाइन में कवि कह रहा है कि मैं जब बीते समय की बातों को याद करता हूँ, जो जो भी मेरी असफलताएं, जो जो चीज़ें मैं प्राप्त करना चाहता वो नहीं प्राप्त कर पाया, और उन सबको सोच करके मैं दुखी हो जाता हूँ और मेरा समय वापस खराब होना शुरू हो जाता है। Then can I drown an eye unused to flow for precious friends in a dateless night, and weep afresh love's long since cancelled woes, among the expense of so many vanished sight. And he says that uh, that can I drown an eye unused to flow? He says that can I again start to weep? My eyes are not usual to I mean not acquainted with the with weeping and all, but I start this again. And for precious friends hid in deathless night, he says that my precious friends, my important very loving friends who have gone away from me, where they have gone in dateless night. When the date is never going to change, the time on which the death of that person, his friend, took place, that is never going to end, and it has become a dateless night. And then he says that we've appraised love's long since cancelled war. And he says that my love, my affection, which was ended there, is again there to make me sorrowful. And then I mourn with the expense of many vanished nights. And he says that the memories of past make me sad again. And the sorrow for which I have done for a longer period, I have wasted my many nights. It is again here. And I feel that I am in that sorrow again. I am for that incidents again here. I think that the happenings, the incidents are taking place with me again. And then can I greet Princess Forgone, heavily from woe to tell over the said account of for Bimon Mon, which I new pay as if it not paid before. Just here you see again that line. Then can I grieve at grievances as for one? Poet कहता है क्या मैं can I grievances can I grieve grievances for one? He says that the incidents, the happenings which took place earlier, and I have expressed my sorrow, I have felt sorrow for that. Should I grieve again for them? Yeah, and heavily from woe to woe till over. My all the wounds, all the woes of my sorrow, should I remember them again by one? And the sad account of four Bimon Mon, and the sad account, I mean all the incidents which are the part of my uh, previous life and has made me sad. He says that should should I express my sorrow again for that, which I knew pay as if not paid before. And he says that I feel so sorrowful for them, and it seems that I haven't paid my sorrow. I haven't felt regret. I haven't regretted earlier for all this. So, dear students, in Shakespearean sonnets, in first three quatrain, we come to know that what is going on in the poet's mind. What does the poet want to express? And in first quatrain, we see that poet is remembering his past memories and remembering his failures, remembering his losses, remembering his uh, bad happenings in his life. He becomes sad and he says that he is sorrowful again. तो जो पहला जो क्वेश्चन है उसमें कवि अपनी पुराने समय की चीज़ों को याद करके दुखी होता है और उसके जो भी फेल्योर्स हैं, जो भी तकलीफें हैं, जो भी दुख हैं पास्ट की, वो उन सब उसको दुखी करती है। सेकंड क्वेश्चन में हम देखते हैं कि वो कहता है कि मेरे मेरा जो फ्रेंड है वह तारीखहीन रात, मतलब डेडलेस नाइट जो है, उसकी जो डेथ है वो उसके लिए एक डेडलेस नाइट बन गई। वो जो अंधेरा जो है वो कभी हटने वाला नहीं है। उसका जो दोस्त है, उसका जो मित्र है, आई डोंट नो व्हाट वेदर शी इज मेल और फीमेल, but he in the Shakespeare it is written in other books there that he had a male female friend and he lost her. So he was expressing his sorrow for her, but I'm not sure about that. So since I would just like to tell you that here you mentioned that the a friend, and then uh, he says that he has gone in deathless night. उसका जो उसकी जो मृत्यु का जो दिन है वो एक डेटलेस नाइट में चेंज हो गया और वो ये अंधेरा मेरे लिए कभी हटने वाला नहीं है। तो फिर वो कहता है कि आई ग्रीव वन बाय वन, कि मैं जो ग्रीवेंसेस है, मेरे जो तकलीफ है, मेरे जो दुख हैं, वो मैं सब एक एक करके याद करता हूँ, दुखी हो जाता हूँ। ये एक सेशन जो वर्ड है, कोर्ट का वर्ड है, जैसे किसी को समन करना, कॉल करना, एक सिटिंग में, जज का सिटिंग में होना, सेशन कहलाता है। एंड ही सेड दैट व्हेन आई went to the session of silent, he some he the poet summons all his past memories. It is like that. एंड ये जो तीनों जो कपलेट्स हैं, इसमें पोएट्स के मेन आइडियाज कि व्हाट इज गोइंग ऑन इन हिज माइंड, व्हाट आर हिज क्वेश्चंस, व्हाट ही वांट्स टू एक्सप्रेस अस, these are explained here. And now in last two lines he answers there that how his mood is changed by just by the memories of his uh, friends. And he says that, but if the while I think on the dear friend, oh Lozella restored and sorrows end. And he says that, but when I remember about my dear friend, how did we live, how was our happiness, how was our time was going in the past with my friend, and all these good memories ends his sorrows, ends his problems, and he says that all losses which he got in the past are restored. I mean, all his miseries, all his sorrowfulness is vanished by the memories of his friend. So, dear students, एक जो उसकी जो मेमोरी है उसके दोस्त की, उसके फ्रेंड की, वो जैसे उसको याद आती है, वो पास्ट की सब घटनाओं को, दुख वाली घटनाओं को भूल जाता है और वो कहता है मेरे सभी जो नुकसान है वो उनकी भरपाई हो जाती है। इट इज जस्ट इट इज जस्ट what is a 14 line poem. You can read it, try to understand it, and then I will talk about its different poetical aspects, its themes, and its structure and its style, and in rhyme scheme, and in patterns of meter. All we will discuss in our next video. Thank you.